Håfa and Tirow from the Saipan Chamber of Commerce. Welcome back to another Member Resiliency Series. Today I'm here with Dental Donna and Dr. Krum, both owners of Paradise Dental Spa.
Yeah, welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise, Rennie. Thanks for doing this. It's such a great idea to hear from our chamber members. 'Cause we all have a story right now, right? After
Yes.
the storm. And the first thing that you had asked us about was what steps had we taken to be more resilient after Typhoon Yutu in 2018? And I was excited about that answer because we did a lot of things after that. We we've been open now for a little over 10 years, but at the time of YouTube, we did not have a generator.
Mm.
And, we had power outages throughout the year that were, we'd be down for a couple hours and have to cancel patients. So when YouTube hit, it was like, okay, whatever it takes, we're going to get a big generator. And that has been fantastic for all the power outages that come throughout the year, but especially after Sinlaku hit, we were able to we were closed for 5 days, so we were the very first dental office to open after the storm. But during that 5 day period, we were able to have our team come here, all of our employees, and they could take a shower, they could charge their devices, get some air con for a little while. And we also, after you two, we put in a shower. We have a full bathroom here, we have a full kitchen, we have blow up beds with brand new sheets. So we just really wanted that storm really did a number on us to make sure that we could offer services not just to the public and get back to dentistry, but to our people so that we could help them. I just want to make sure that the public understands or knows they are more than welcome to come over here and charge their devices. We've got some charging stations over here in the corner, and we're here Monday through Thursday, 8 to 5, and they're welcome to come and charge their devices because I know that's a lot on people's minds right now.
And get out of the heat and enjoy the aircon.
Right.
Normally we have some rugs here, but they're at the car wash being cleaned.
What are some initiatives you guys are currently pushing out to better support the community?
Okay. Well, the first one is the simple one I just mentioned. They're more than happy. We're more than happy to have them come here and charge their devices during the day while we're open. And then we're going to talk about some of the promotions that we're running right now. Dr. Crumb's going to talk about the first one.
The first and most exciting one in a long time for me is what's called digital dentures, which we have the first milling machine in Micronesia that allows us to make complete dentures. And scanning the mouth versus taking impressions is much more accurate, so you have a better fitting denture. Plus, sometimes mistakes happen. If you leave your dentures out and you have a dog, the dog will eat them, or you drop and break them, or a car runs over them. There are all sorts of things that can happen. With digital dentures, because we have scanned the image of your mouth, we can recreate that denture in a day versus it takes 2 to 5 weeks to make a denture the old-fashioned way. And our technician has just gotten qualified to do this, and so for the month of May, we're offering a promotion of $725 for a denture per denture and $900 for a partial denture. We're hoping that gets lots of people back in shape and out chewing again.
For June, and we've never done this before, but because of the storm, we have our own in-house dental plan. It's called the Island Smiles Discount Dental Plan. And it's always been the least expensive dental plan on the island, right? We've always been proud of that. And once someone is a member of the plan, they have discounts on every single thing we do, up to 50%. Most of them are close to 50% discount. So what we're going to do for June, because believe it or not, storms and the aftermath of storms cause people to have toothaches. I do not know why. But so we wanted to be available. So anyone that has a need for the dentist in June is going to get 1 year of that dental plan for free. It's not going to cost them anything to join the plan. And what that will give them is for a whole year up to 50% discounts on every single thing we do, including digital dentures, including everything we do here in the dental office, no exceptions. The other thing that I want to stress for the community in the aftermath of the storm, and it's really an ongoing thing, but we don't talk about it enough, and that is the fact that we are Medicaid providers, right? But a lot of people don't understand that Medicaid, we're talking about for children now, for this example. Medicaid covers pretty much everything for kids. And why is that important for mom and dad? Because if you catch dental situations early, like we recommend bringing your daughters when they're 2 and sons at age 3. Now, most likely they've never had a need for a dentist yet. But if they start coming early, lots of things happen. One, they never are afraid of the dentist, which keeps them coming, which keeps them healthy, which keeps it not as expensive. It's neglect that's expensive, not preventive care.
Yes.
So we really want to encourage parents to let us take a look at your children. A lot of times you think you're, like for example, brushing your children's teeth at night, maybe you're doing it with them. You might not think you're missing anything, but once you bring them here, we're not going to miss anything. Right? We're going to be the ones to find anything that might be going wrong and prevent it before it becomes a big problem.
Any message you'd like to share to the community as we move forward together?
Dr. Krum and I have been in the profession of dentistry for, between the two of us, 40 years. And it's one of the most interesting professions you'll ever be involved with. But one of the things that's really new right now, it's not new to us, but it's new to the public. And it's something called the mouth body connection. In the States right now, they're converting medical and dental practices are hooked together because most people think, oh, I got to get to the doctor for my annual checkup, right? But the dentist, they think it's just about a good smile. It's not. It's much more important than that. A lot of diseases, and we actually have a handout that we give all of our patients to try and help educate them about all of the diseases that either are caused by poor dental health or made worse. Diabetes being a huge one, and we have a big problem, big challenge with that here on the island. So we like to start stressing to people, we think we're more, with what we know about the disease process in your mouth and how it can spread to the rest of your body, it's more as or more important to see your dentist on a regular basis than your physician. So we feel that we feel it's a responsibility of ours to, in speaking in English, not dental terminology, to educate our population here in the CNMI how important regular visits are. We're always the first to see oral cancer. Oral cancer screening is always free at Paradise Dental, always, year round. So you'll hear us talking a lot more at Paradise Dental about the mouth-body connection going into the rest of the year.
The only thing I'd add would be, please, everyone, call your government representative. There's a chance, as in Yutu, that they add presumptive eligibility back, which means non-U.S. citizens get access to Medicaid.
Yes, yes, we do. We're really pushing for that.
If that happens again, the non-U.S. citizen population will be able to seek medical and dental care.
Yes.
Hugely important. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you both for, your time today again. Really appreciate it.